Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. If you're constantly wondering why your skin just won't clear up, you might be making a few totally common missteps. But don't worry. Today we're taking a really fantastic source and using it to turn those everyday teen skincare mistakes into a foolproof, super simple daily schedule template to help you finally get that clear glow.
Okay, here's our agenda for building this template. 1. Essential products to buy. 2. Your morning skincare steps. 3. Diet, hydration, and habits. 4. Your evening skincare steps. And 5. The rule of patience. Let's jump right in.
Section 1. Essential products to buy. Building your basic skincare arsenal.
So, for the actual products you need, you literally only want this essential starter kit. We're talking a gentle cleanser, a lightweight oil-free moisturizer, an SPF 30 or higher sunscreen, a spot treatment, look for benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid there, and a reliable makeup remover or micellar water. The source really hammers home that sticking to these absolute basics is your true foundation. You don't need a massive vanity full of stuff.
And speaking of that, it is so incredibly tempting to just go out and buy every trendy serum you see online, right? But the source points out a surprising truth. More products absolutely do not equal better skin. In fact, throwing a bunch of heavy active ingredients like retinol and vitamin C onto your face all at once is just going to overwhelm your skin. It causes irritation and, ironically, even more breakouts. Simple really truly is better here.
Moving right along to Section 2, your morning skincare steps, starting the day right. Now, here is a wild, counterintuitive insight. Washing your face more than twice a day is a massive trap. I mean, it seems totally logical to just scrub oily skin constantly, right? Wash away the oil. But the source reveals that overwashing strips your natural oils. This forces your skin to completely panic and overcompensate by producing even more oil, and that leads straight to clogged pores.
So, here is your morning schedule template. 3 really fast steps. First, wash with that gentle cleanser. Second, swipe on your lightweight moisturizer. And third, lock the whole thing in with your SPF 30 sunscreen. That is it. Seriously, no complicated 10-step routines required before school.
Now, I have to mention a huge myth out there. The idea that oily skin doesn't need moisturizer. Actually, scratch that, it's worse than a myth. Skipping step 2 actively makes your skin try to compensate for that lack of hydration by creating even more oil. The trick is just choosing a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. That keeps things beautifully balanced without feeling heavy. And whatever you do, please don't skip step 3. It's a huge pitfall. You need SPF 30 every single day, yes, even indoors. Surprisingly, those sneaky UV rays can easily penetrate standard window glass. That causes premature aging, sure, but it also makes hyperpigmentation and acne scars take so much longer to fade.
All right, Section 3. Diet, hydration, and habits. Fueling your skin from the inside out.
For the lifestyle side of our daily template, what you eat plays a massive role. Common breakout triggers for a lot of people actually include excess sugar, dairy, and greasy foods. On the flip side, fueling your skin with fruits, veggies, healthy fats, and just a ton of water is kind of like pouring premium fuel into a car. It keeps everything plump, hydrated, and glowing. But it goes beyond just food. The source warns us about these sneaky environmental bacteria traps. Think about it. You absolutely need to wash your pillowcases frequently. You got to clean those makeup brushes weekly. And, especially considering our phone screens are literally often dirtier than public toilet seats, you definitely need to disinfect that screen before you go pressing it against your cheek all day.
Okay, on to Section 4. Your evening skincare steps. Repairing overnight.
The source highlights this specific habit as the ultimate unforgivable skincare sin, sleeping in your makeup. Listen, no matter how tired you are after a long day, leaving makeup on clogs your pores and completely blocks your skin's natural ability to repair itself overnight. It's a disaster waiting to happen.
So here is the evening closeout for our daily template. Step 1, melt away the day's grime with your makeup remover or micellar water. Step 2, do your second and final wash with your gentle cleanser. And Step 3, dab a little spot treatment directly onto any problem areas. Speaking of Step 3, we all know exactly how tempting it is to just pop a pimple. But the source is incredibly clear on this. It is never, ever worth it. Picking leads straight to scarring and just spreads bacteria like wildfire. You really need to think of your spot treatment as your safe, completely hands-off alternative to get the job done. And finally, Section 5, the rule of patience. Setting realistic expectations.
4 to 6. According to the research, that is how many weeks it typically takes to see real, tangible results in your skincare journey. Jumping from product to product before a month is even up, well, that just confuses your skin. Consistency isn't just nice to have, it is literally a required ingredient for this to work.
So look, by avoiding these common traps and actually sticking to this daily schedule template, clearer skin is incredibly achievable. But like we just said, it all comes down to consistency. So as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this question. Will you trust this 30-day process, or will you fall back into the overwashing trap tomorrow morning? Start tonight and see the difference for yourself.